Bună dimineața. That's good morning in Romanian. Bună dimineața. Today we're making raisin bread. So I've got everything measured out. Let's check that. There we go. So we've got 1.5 cups of water. Skimmed milk powder, 4 tablespoons. Sunflower oil, 4 tablespoons. Except it's rapeseed oil. Extra virgin cold pressed. Sugar, 3 tablespoons. Salt, 2 teaspoons. That seems quite a lot to me, but, well, you know. Strong white bread flour. Oh no, I've got cinnamon as well. Cinnamon, 1 teaspoon. Strong white bread flour, 4 cups. My microphone cable's coming in my pocket. So this could be messy. I don't know. That's 560 grams. And finally, fast action yeast, 2 teaspoons. And it says raisins, 3/4 cup. I've got mixed raisins and chopped dates. So this is practically the same as the loaf I made the other day, the mixed fruit loaf. Except that was nutmeg, this one's cinnamon. That's the only difference, I think. Slight difference in the ingredient, the amounts. So this goes in to the bread maker. And that is program 1. So it's already on 1, so that's 3 hours that's going to take. So I'll add the fruit when the machine bleeps. Once it's mixed and kneaded the ingredients, it tells you, it'll bleep to tell you when to add whatever you're adding. So I'll see you back here in 3 hours when it's ready to come out. I'll see you then. That's the beeper went. Get my cooling rack and oven gloves. I've actually remembered what both of these are called, cooling rack and oven gloves. Oh, that's hot. Oh, lovely. Ooh. So how you look to see. Oh, that looks braw. Smells lovely. Oh yeah. There's a bit stuck in the bottom there. I'll get that shortly. Stop calling me shortly. Oh, that is an absolute beauty. Oh, it's quite heavy. Oh, there's a wee split there. See that? So I'll put in a few photos when it's cut, when it's cooled down, It takes about an hour to cool down. That's torture waiting that hour. Anyway, thanks for watching. That's Raisin Bread. I'll put this in at the end. See you next time, hopefully. Ta-ta for now.